Wagwan ENT.
You may not be the territory. Hey, hey, hey. So if you come here with your badness, you can't dance so. If you say that you're afraid of you, nothing will go so. When the business where you are coming from.
Come in, Danny John.
You understand territory. I guess I feel the territory. Hey, 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 territory. You cannot be with territory.
Now, old time Jonah Davis. Home blood. Now, Puma Taya and the crew. Come on.
So nobody screw up your face when you come in at your place. Cause if you try your thing, it go bring a thing.
Now he's in a Dominic. Black around the crew. Now he comes. And I select a touch on warm and easy. Now he comes the man who can't like crucial John Mouse. Now you know we are going on juggling kind of we don't have much time.
Ladies and gentlemen, John Mouse and Metro Media.
Why? Metro, hey, them said you need that the mention of the Lord.
Metro Media, sweetness uncomparable.
All the massive from London.
Now easy bugs.
And the massive from Germany.
I like Georgia and all the crew.
Don't know so
enough respect.
Big and gigantic. Whoa. Nobody mention uptown. And nobody mention downtown. Come and check and get him crowned all around. Them sing, them set you need that the mention of the Lord. Well, them set you need reggae music of big one. Whoa, yo, yo, yo. Watch out, John Jasper, they are so. And Liquor John, they are so. And Tristan Palmer, in they are so nice of the place. And John Mouse, they are so. Under the metro in, they are so. Everything just feeling good in another day soul. That's why I sing Chubuni. Why yo I sing
No schedules. Don't go no further with it, kind of know there. Come on, you're going like we're not there. Now, Dr. C, you know, when I leave you out of the business line, so that's a corrude one.
Well, you're on the Fire Street crew, all tight, sing. Hey, yeah. Na, alright. So each day I live, I want to be a day to
stop it. Now, if you have your girl down for a roll on for her, can you go like a my one? Hold her, man. Sure.
Well, say, pull them here. All prayer street crew, all tight, and all jungle. Na, alright. Hey, yeah. Oh, girl. Well, but at the sitting by the open fireplace, in my favorite dungaree, play a few songs of a melody, and it sounds so sweet to me. I thought I'd get up and take a look around, but my feet got in the way. I stumbled to the floor, she was right of the door, but I could see her face. But how could it be? Say yes, I know it's been some time since something on my mind. See, I haven't been the same since a cold summer day. You said in me this way, is that if I was an empty place, and the only things I learned is that I need you desperately. So here I am, and darling, please save me. Oh, where do broken hearts go? Let me find their way on. You got to be open up. Come on down the dread.
Why, Dr. C, I like how you're going like how you alone can't sing it. You know we can't do it. Come on. Now all our boys on tight. Kind of we do different house spanglers. Now, come on. Now Sky Juice. Let's touch it on Woman's Road, boy. Now can do it, you know. Hear this shit. Come on. Now who I'm gonna hold and squeeze tonight? Is. Come on. And I'm going to come with DJ alone the jet can DJ. What do you tell me for? Cool no bottleneck. You know when you let the chalice of worries. Huh? And I don't get no chalice from night. Where you go? Come on. Hear this. Now who I'm gonna hold and squeeze tonight? Somebody tell me. Now that she's gone out of my life. Watch it, Sky Juice. Come on. Now who's gonna make me feel the way she used to do? Yeah. Now that my love is overdue. Somebody help me. Say now that my love is overdue. Won't you help me sing it now? And I'm all alone in the wilderness. Somebody help me. I'm searching to find some peace and rest. Somebody help me. Said I know she wasn't the best girl, yet she brought happiness into my world. And now that my love is overdue. Somebody help me. Say now that my love is overdue. Won't you help me sing it now? La da 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 da. Somebody help me. Come on. No, you have no jet. We're not too gonna further, but you have no jet. Hear this. So I may not be familiar with your language, but I sure would like to cross over your bridge. Though I may not dress in style as the men in your town do, but I sure know how to say I love you. Yes, I wanna love you in the morning. Come on, hey, love you in the evening too. Lord of mercy, whenever you are lonely, I'll make you happy when you're feeling blue. Why massive? I'm just a stranger in your town. Come on. So once in a while I comes around. Don't go no further with Sky Juice. Yeah, no so time late, man. Come on. Now step up into something rougher than that. No, cause you know no pet things this year.
Now anything we do, sounding look impossible.
Well, alright. Now all rude boys. Hang on.
How is this?
Shut them on it, man.
When Jamaica Person Sledge come, which is thing as true, you know Metro Media fuck up any soundboard. And I see all the girls in those Smarties and French cut panty, we love to pull them from the side. So here what? Come thing as true, come express our sentimentality. Yeah. Come fast!
How the fire, boy?
Oh yeah.
All you boys! Hang on. Now if you have a girl, just hold on for her. Come on.
When a man loves a woman.
Now hear this. Now keep listening till I tell you. Now easy, Bob. All jungle is. Hang on.
Easy. Robert French.
Now Georgie. Come on. Now for respect.
Keep his mind in nothing else. She changed the world for a good thing he's found. If she's bad,
now he's the Glen.
see it.
The only cripple you gonna left Metro. Now he's the only nice to the board.
When a man loves a woman,
Metro.
spend his first last time trying to hold on to what he needs. When a man loves a woman, can't keep his mind on nothing else. He can change the world for good things found. Let me wrap you in the warm.
All Whitfield Town crew. Respect you.
Yes. Let me wrap you in the warm and tender love.
Now easy, amen.
Oh yeah.
Bugs.
talking off the street. That's where we always live.
Just like that.
Hiding in shadows where it won't be long. Living in darkness to hide alone. You and me at the dark end of the sway, of the sway. Watch me. Cover me, cover me. It's ready for us.
Now he's the Michael J.
Oh,
Respect.
can't you see
Years.
the need in me? Cover me, cover me. Hide me, hide me. We're nobody that you.
Come on.
Oh, I'm feeling cold.
Hey boy, fling with him Sky Juice. Fling with him Sky Juice. Make them know so you have use. You lose the trophy but you're still happy, Eric. Your pocket full of money, don't worry. Alright? Only they look rude, boy. No, I get to understand. Say, what is Sky Juice? Just so Flower Gun come to and tell them about the count out business man, them lock them pocket. Are we not?
No, done the dreadlocks. We have to count out cause our girl will run out.
Well, alright, so we want to look nice, alright? Alright? All rude boys! Yeah, you know, we don't have much time, so it's a jugger. How easy, man. Come on. Sky Juice! Cockatoo new slang, when Danny bring bout. Me say the way me love me girl, me have to count out. Cockatoo new talk, when Danny bring bout. Cause me say if you love your girl, you have to count out. Don't count out and make you see my amount and see you don't walk out. Well,
Never know it's a girl want money. Count out.
Now, when I really mean if you count out and stand up with your in your pocket, you know. When they night, I shall was someone and let off money and still don't know the word. But don't watch it. Don't check. Cockatoo new slang, when Danny bring bout. Me say the way me love me girl, me have to count out. Cockatoo new talk, when Danny bring bout. Cause me say if you love your girl, you have to count out. Cause you say Sky Juice, him is a count out. But you can't run Sky Juice from count out. If him not count out, him girl will walk out. And then the next man, I be just a lash it out. Me love Tuffy, him is a count out. And me say can't run Tuffy from count out. If him not count out, him girl will walk out. And then the next man, I be just a lash it out. Black and ranking, count out. Can't wrong him from count out. If him not count out, him girl will walk out. And then the next man, I be just a lash it out. She want pretty shoes when she walking out. And a man just a ball and a ball it out. Cockatoo new slang, when Danny bring bout. Come and say if you is. Don't count out and make you see my amount and see she don't walk out. Where's the rude boy?
Now he's the Danny Dread cause you don't know when Mel. Come yardy. You may call it yardy. Come cockney.
Hold it, Sky Juice. You say we don't come for cost nobody, but I come for cost somebody. It's not a DJ, and it's not a sound, and it's not a selector. And I'm not talking to people who keep the dance today, but you have some little idle promoter that want to take entertainer like we are some little hungry belly boy, and we know. Let it go. Let it go. Yeah, you know. All junglers, all spanglers, spread out. Reese on the crew, Jam 2 and the Jammy's crew. Johnny Nice, we love you to the bone. Every time. Let me know. A hippie, happy hippie hoo. Mister, how do you do? A hippie, happy hippie hoo. Mister, how do you do? We're here it now, we're here it now. Promoter have a right, artists have a right to. You don't rob, we not gonna beat you. Promoter have a right, artists have a right to. You don't selector.
Stop it. Hold it. This is the original Spanglers bad boy that man get 14 guns. Come.
14,000 gone. You know what? Yeah, you know. All junglers, I mean, loving up. Yeah, I tell you. Hippie, happy, hippie, hoo. Mister, how do you do? Come now. A hippie, happy, hippie, hoo. And Mister, how do you do? Promoter have a right, artists have a right to. You don't rob, we not gonna beat you. Promoter have a right, artists have a right to. You don't rob, we not gonna beat you. I'm sick. sick. I tell you that I'm sick of the music business. Certain promoter want take us for shit. Like them a low lot and make the profit. Put me name on the posters quick. Nah get no advance so me not in a it. Say me gonna foreign for make a visit. That time said the people them a panic. Said the Jamaican people me lot of this. But that time they're selling general ship. The same time they want fuck up reggae music. And that's something that I man cherish. Cause out of this music we can get rich. And listen to the DJ where you call down my nick. And up on the mic like a silicon chip. Me no ramp, me no throat, me no skin. Please. Come in, Blacker.
Pull up, wait. You think we're done yet? Come, Dominic. Watch out, hold it. Dominic. Yeah, you're going to feed on the man, them are going to feed on the girls. All the girls, them. Any man who get the walk, you must request it back. I want to see the girls, them come fun night, you know, don't jump out, you know. The business go. You this! All junglers!
What can I do for you, mister? I'm the Undertaker. Make me 3 coffins, bruh.
What on? You this! You this!
We have them under order.
Junglers!
Metro Media.
All junglers, bangers! Come on!
Think you pass the border.
Bang!
Metro Media have them under order.
Let me see cover.
We have them
One for Glamourian, one for Tony, and one for Gemini.
Sound Metro Media, Amida. You say they can pass the border.
Come on!
You say they can pass the border. God be the Metro in the era.
Come on!
With the youths floating ranks, along with Papa Soso in the era. Lord and I Papa Chilla, along with Errol Turner.
Well, massive. The vibes is right. Respect Glamourian.
How my selector, you step out of that, so step into this now, cause you know we do it different. Now we can't see it like Crucial Bonnet General, the whole tight youth. Big up the chum up, man.
We don't mix up this in general this year. And you see Sky Juice, I want to know something. I want the lively selector me ever seen in the world. And this is Bonnet General talking about around the talk show. So pack up a little bang around sound on the $1.50 DJ on the $1.50 selector and live.
Pray for them, pray for them. Our Father word in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come. Ah, boy, come blood.
Well, it's Peter Metro. I know so when you're Bonnet General coming around with Kingston. Jump and sound.
How easy, Bonnet General?
So long I want you. Kill us tonight.
All creation, massive.
Enough respect. Come Metro Media. And dead. Kill us on tonight. Make sure you kill us on tonight. We kill us on tonight. No Metro Media, you kill us on. In a yard up play, they bound to down. Select a try, go, kill him too. Tell me no sound, boy, what you going do? Whoa, sound, what you gonna do now? Whoa, sound, what you going do? Dibby sound, what you gonna do now? Fuck it sound, what you going do? Next week is the case. We have a neck jump on the face. But we don't know time them ways. We have a next some cockroach work for them case. And no sound, what you gonna do? No fucking sound, what you going to do? Sound a sound, pan a pan. We shouldn't play them, they bang around. Pack them up like a rubbish in a pan.
How easy Joe Buchanan? Now respect my youth.
So jump on,
Yes.
what you gonna do now? And no sound, what you going to do?
Say every passy you fi follow it. Say every passy you fi join with. Say every passy you fi follow it. Say every passy you fi join with.
And this a bunny and the one Metro. Cause that's when I get overthrown. And make them fly out like any drum crow. All in light bulb green to blue. Come on and jump on. What you gonna do now? And no sound. What you gonna do? Say bunny general I sing me song.
No disrespect.
No bang around. Tell me son boy where you from? You come a dance along as a champion. Come on me no sound. What you gonna do now? Dibby sound. What you going to do?
Say every passy posse have to follow way. Say every posse have to join way. Say every posse have to follow way. Say every posse have to join way.
Cause Sky Juice is the selector, the number one in Jamaica. So son, we go hold you corner. Let's sound business and go sell bananas.
Alright. Now, a great man saying, do remember tomorrow night out of the place called Great Green Avenue in a George's Land. You do remember you willing to sound like Metro Media. And do remember next week Sunday happens to be the 27th of August out of the place called Fort Clarence Beach. You entertained by the champion band called Sagittarius. Are you there? Alright. Don't check. The dance all nice, yes, the dance all nice. Everyone that's up and everyone are rejoice. Yes, I'm Metro Media what the people side. Let me hear it from the posse. I'm from the junglist posse. I'm from the Spanglers posse. It's Sky Juice, man. Chama. You know you're going, man. Chama. One thing with Metro Media sound, we're full of vibes. Not dead stock thing. Come down a jet. Step up. Alright, back there. Come on. Angela, listen, man. The dance all nice, yes, the dance all nice. Everyone that's up and everyone that rejoice. This time Metro Media, the people's side. Let me hear it from the posse, from the Gemini posse, from Creation posse, from the Spade Corner posse, from the Boom Corner posse, and from the Junglist posse, and from the Spanglers posse, from the Metro Media posse. Jump up if you're irate. They come in at the dance and have to think twice. Listen down the tread with a nice tone of voice. Them drink up the juice where them up on the ice. Them hear it once, but me hear it twice. Every jump if you're irate. Cause you come from the posse, like the Pinland posse, and the Boom Corner posse, and the Berwick Road posse, and the Spade Corner posse, and the Junglist posse, and the Spanglers posse, and some old time style. Back a be you be follow away. Come and we nice up the party. Sky Juice select down the trend DJ. Find reggae music on the Kingston way. The way me old lad said it can't get away. Easy ragamuffin and the rough DJ. Make me hear it from the posse, from the up east. Sky Juice, man. Come on. Now it's a back of me. You're not fresh from Canada, man. Come on.
Easy, man. Well tight on junglist and all Maxfield Avenue and all Spranglers. Love to the maximum. Easy, man. Well tight. All Jersey crew, well tight and all New York guys. You understand? But enough of them a talk about them and the master. And when me take it out, man, them massa dust and rumpus and Junior Demons him come to help us and upper 16 are all purpose and too long and it full up a rust and Pepsi Cola me wa Elo 1 gram of kilo you take my paro. Talk about the demons bug out. I post it down here for your mouth.
Now easy, Mr. Naturalist. Pull up Sky Juice. May you say a change your name to where your new name, Junior Demos?
Fortunatus are fortunate. Come on, Virgin, come down, things some pussy won't get. Come down, my old Sky Juice. Well tight son and creation in the crew and the master. Eat the screen, the bum, call we love you, Virgin. Not number quest to all the eyes tonight. Not my talk with the fabulous bug out. With the pussy them I talk about. But me say enough of them I talk about. The demons bug out to me. Ban a plane and the demons fly out and crack out and bug out and come in and come out and nose and my nose and my mouth and teapot and teapot and spout and Junior demons say you run the route and me hear that the thing from your mouth. Fucking teeth them, I got drop out. Junior demons are soldier and a skull fabulous. Junior demons are where them talk about and Junior demons. Elo! 1 gram a kilo. Come down for a stand, carrot and land.
Well, you know we come. I run things here, says Speed my youth, see? Now request to all crew, cause you know what is nice this, cause the people them pay. So I have to juggle some lyrics, see? Now it's to the arms house business now. And they going underneath. We can't talk cultural lyrics and please the same way. Come now, conscious lyrics you must fling down. Talk about the star and the moon and the sun. And tell Natty Dread out the sense of fi bun. And tell both of give Mandela freedom. And talk about the drugs them like opium. And talk about the youth them when living in the slum. I know things bad and no money nah run. When you come a dance hall, make them have fun, entertain the people them to the maximum number. That tell the people them about your 14 gun. Oh, nice and easy. Nice and time you come. Now go to some lyrics from the dictionary. See? When you come a dance hall, make them have fun, entertain the people them to the maximum number. That tell the people them about your 14 gun. Or you a mother lash and have 18 tongue. Cause you give you the DJ teaching. To every DJ this is a warning. Oh, Papa stand up on the microphone chanting. Nobody have no indicated feeling. Instability it mean lack of firmness. Audacity it mean boldness and fearless. Or see, it's a woman where damn workless. To confuse people it mean you're perplexed. To incarcerate, we put in a prison in is nice and lovely, my youth. I saw we do it with these nice and these every time, see? Now you know. Don't worry with the brain because it's detrimental to us. One top bunch of put on me clothes I come from country. Me under 2 quarter Johnny Walker whiskey. And me alone a drive, me did feel lonely. Fix a start, talk to her with a little softness. Hear me, a young miss, I sexy chick. What you doing on the road a late hours like this? She say me car broke down, me have to park it. Me leave it and me friend in our small district. Now the two when we a drive, me a fling 2 lyrics. We a talk about that and not talk about this. She a go on like she want start relationship. That most of all surprise me a bit. She hold up on me and I start to squeeze it. And Johnny to me like she want bust a kiss. Let me say in a me mind who she a try trick. Suppose she a breed and me no know about it. And make me sex her wrong. Give me jacket and she was shoot me down with a disease bullet. And give me 2 shots from her pum matic. Switch a motor the can nearly fling me a dot. And come me inside and ask me what's up. Say oh Mr. Coward that's so damn nervous. Before me go toilet make we my youth. Now hold it. Oh no one more. Oh no one more. Oh no one more. Oh God. Well, Sky Joe saying what he want to know me live, but you go give your address. Now write it down. Just try remember it. You feel like you remember it? Answer me. You feel like you remember it? Yeah, man. All right, come down. I saw me attack. You saw me attack. When you watch me, can you say you can't remember? I'm gonna tell you if you do from now. You want to find me out? You know. Sky Joe, give me now. Take a walk up to the bus stop. Take the red bus, you carry the load on the top. Then you go in at the bus, you ask him Mad Max and tell him to carry at the secret spot. In case you don't ask, let me tell you a what. Well, I see it at the window, you sit down and watch. Make sure you come off at the first bus stop. Then you cross the road, you pass a little shop. You could don't look further till you see a dirt track. Now take the dirt track, go on a hilltop. Right where your man a sell jelly coconut. No go left, no go right, and no bother turn back. Go like straight ahead till you reach on the flat. When you reach on the flat, Sky just take out your knife. Take up a big stone now, ready for your fight. Cause some dog down there, then we kill you with bite. Bite up your backside, where's a if a night. Now, take the straight, make the first right. Make the first left at the first street light. You go past a big store and a hydrant pipe. And a big sign mark vegetarian delights. I know, that's how me live. Go down further, pass it. Hold on, hear it. I know, that's how me live. Go down further, pass the ball field, then you cross the gutter. You go see your high fence with paper wire. You pass and go until you reach a center. You go see your cane piece and a cow pastor. Take the cane piece, the way the shorter you can. Yam sugar cane can is sweet like sugar. A cool for you while I ease off your temper. Don't go, you see your sign mark, don't enter. Now take the road there, that they want the danger. Make the right turn, that the road the better. Make sure you wear boot and beware a maca. Don't take the liquor track, we take your cross over while you're not drown it no deep. A shallow water. You take your little time till you reach over, and you actually reach in my area. You go see a sign mark, the pick and carra, and a big haunted yard where them work over with a whole heap of drum where they play come in a island, this island, that shaker and greater. Right beside it you have a small little lane. I eat you fi take, fi go pan the main. When you go pan the main, you not have no complaint. It's easy if you walk, if you go and take a train. Carry an umbrella in case of rain, and take everything written down in your brain. No, after that you know what you do next. Make the first right at the first keep to legs. Then you go down to the bottom, is a nice little stretch. You see a right turn, I eat you fi take. You go past a jewelry store when me buy me bracelet. A woman cross the road, she a sell some guinea. When you reach right there, so you have couple more steps. No bother easy take, but sit down and rest. Just make a right and a next left again. You look down the road, you see all of me friends. Me not tell you how me not think you know them. Make a left at the school, we full of children. Let's take a shortcut, go through the Akpen. You go see a big church band reborn again. And a Sunday school where me used to attend. When you reach right there, so you actually reach a car. Look up. Oh, Sky, just remember.
You live in a, what I tell you where you live? Son, you live in a graveyard. In a graveyard.
Hold on, son. Sky just walk from Jamaica to England and still not reach your yard, man. I ain't a hog pen you make him man reach. I'm going to reborn again.
And a lot of sound go. But Metamida,
we in one now.
To hear sound with Sky
on a Kingston, Massachusetts, with enough respect, touch it.
And all the Metamida crew, then the engineer. Now engineer, come with
respect. All massive.
Oh yeah. Oh Metro, Metamida. Here it. Metamida's gonna kill a sound boy. I wanna get you anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, there's nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Meant to meet the crew, we got nothing to lose. Yeah, yeah. But I meant to meet you're the ruling sound. And I've got a plan to get sounds out of here. I've been working on the Metamida sound. Yes, I managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and
now Jara the Urban.
You and I can both get jobs and just listen out the Metamida.
I'm big up man like Welton area. You think me no see you? If we go on night, see me get a coffee.
I jump and sound want that this Metamida. Sky juice.
Easy Jimmy. I'm not up all time. That one had a pan cassette, you know.
I got a feeling Metamida's gonna kill a sound guy.
How is it not a gentleman? I know you respect concrete. That's a good boy.
Sound boy, he got a problem. Steel broken bottles, that's the way he lives. I say sound
easy,
Mikey. For working. I say sound young to testament the sound. Mama went out and left him.
Pull up. Now I know some of England DJ. Him come from New York. Pull up. Metamida Sound Bus DJ. Come in Jolly Night. Big stage show for Clarence. Well, alright.
Don't you know
Dr. C.
that I love you so, girl, and I want you to know. Even though it's been so long, my love for you keeps going strong. I remember the things that we used to do. Kissing the
like that
the sunshine too. I try to deny it, but I'm still in love with you. I miss you like crazy.
Yeah, you know.
I miss you like crazy. Ever since you went away.
Man like that to see.
Every day. I miss you like crazy. I miss you like crazy. No matter what.
Well, we had the man like Dr. C to drop this article live for the people. Step up!
Respect that man. And respect to the private label, international label. Yeah, and the cool all that thing. Even though it's been so long, my love for you keeps going strong. I remember the things that we used to do. Kissing the rain till the sun shines through. I try to deny it, but I'm still in love with you. I miss you like crazy. I miss you like Daisy. Ever since you went away, every hour, every day, I miss you like crazy. I miss you like Daisy. No matter what you say or do, there's just no getting over you. That I could see the lotion in your eyes. And it comes to such a sweet surprise. It seems believing it's worth the wait. So hold me and tell me it's not too late. I've done it forever, I've done it forever with love. I want you, little lady, and don't you leave me, baby. I want you with me. Go on, Dominic.
Well, yeah, mate, we're bringing Gemini.
We must bring salvation back.
Come on!
Where there is love, I'll be there, I'll be there. And I'll reach out my hands to you. I'll affect and all you do. Just call my name. I'll be there, I'll be there.
Come on!
I'll be there to comfort you. Fill my world of dream around it. I'm so glad that I found you. I'll be there when love is strong. I'll be your strength. I keep holding on, holding on. Let me fill your heart with joy and laughter. Togetherness still is all I'm after. Whenever you need me, I'll be there, I'll be there.
Yeah. Now spin, check me out. Spin, check them out.
Yeah, baby, with an unselfish love that respects you. Yeah,
Big up Gilly Priest. Danny J, check me.
And I was there to comfort you. Fill my world of dreams around you. I'm so glad that I found you. I'll be there when love is strong. I'll be your strength. I'll keep holding on, holding on. If you should ever find someone new, I know it's better be good to you. Cause if you I'll be there.
Well, hear this now. All the girls, them, I only cater for the morning, you know. Hear them tune here. Come in, Gemini. Because so me I do it tonight. You think me how easy up, come away. You want to go rest?
Snowballs rolling down the mountainside. Sun come around, melting snow away. Well, I've been gone for such a long, long time. Seasons no reason to change. Well, I love you more and more each day. And each and every day I pray that you would stay. Well, I keep loving you more and more each day. Seasons no reason to change. 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 Well, I keep loving you more and more each day. And each and every day I pray that you will stay. Seasons no reason to change. early in the morning, my son kill a soul boy, and make sure that their dubs and changers fall on the ground. I couldn't believe my eyes that my son really did that, but I know that my son is a champion, will do anything. The son boy face looks so sour, it used to look so sweet, and all the girls them start to laugh and said your son get defeat. But I know that my son rule, and all the massive have their tool. My son kill son boy can't kill us back. My son it rule, my son it rule. Oh yeah, my son it is a son to kill son boy, let them know them a fool. My son it rule. Oh yeah, so they send for another Eden son to test the champion son. But as they come, I could see their son be through down. I know that my son rule, and my son have the tool, and my son he teaches son to make your son look like fool. All the entertainers you out there, they're not saying a thing, and even though your singer singing, he's no ragamuffin. I know that my son rule, and my son have the tool, and my son kill son boy can't kill us back, cause my son rule, my son rule. Oh yeah, my son it is.
All this sound is creation, I love it. I love it. No killers. I'm young with selection man.
See, I'm me one know what's going on. My son rule the Lord, creation rule the Lord. Old kind of good, but creation sweeter. Now creation beat that old pan by a million mile. I know I know old kind of good. Yes, and creation sweeter. Hey, creation me cooking that old pan 1 million times. Yeah, boy. Lord of God, creation come to kill old pain, and that is simple. Creation big and strong. Oh, I know. I won't worry about no old pan, them not good enough. Just creation you wanna hear. Lord of we kill. We kill another old pain. Lord of mercy. Only yesterday when I was sad and I was lonely, creation showed me the way to back those old men, place them behind me. Tomorrow maybe even brighter than today. I threw those old men away. Creation leads the way. Old man know that it in trouble. You want to test me. You never knew we may get shot and carry. Last one will test me. Say that I'm buried, so me don't can't believe. I know. Yumba, yo. Beat that old pan by a million miles. Creation gonna get them here and get them there. Leave some standing in the atmosphere. So to beat that old pan with a rubber dub style. King ever come to sing out creation every time. Check out in a dancer, style for rubber dub style. I know I know old pan good, but creation sweeter. Now creation beat that old pan by a million miles. I know I know old pan good, but my son sweeter. Now creation that old pan with a rubber dub style. We just lift that selector till him go like a child. I know only yesterday when I was sad and I was lonely, but creation showed me a way to back those.
Right here this, some boy with a little jump on business. But you want this creation, but for you mouth favor goat pussy claw. Nyamouth. Come down my youth, little rose, people are call you again. But any boy do that this year are dead. Come, bullet general.
company, my company, my company, my company, my company, creation of my company, my company. Sound from the east and the west and the north, one contest, creation the best. And some are screw up with them fists, and some of them are run and come when I pump up them chest. Yeah, it's my company, my company, creation of my company, my company. Say in now we hear us sit down when we hear a sound boy. Say him want test we eat. So we fix up with sound and make sure that we sound it full of melody. You know, say creation and sound, it a go ram up the station on your party. So, oh my company,
entry,
creation of my company, company. It's a bit easy, Papa son, you know, say that you are my company. Settle bunny general, you know, say that you are my company. You know say that you are my company. Me say for set look kiddy because you know say you are big celebrity. So oh my company, you know don't walk one deep.
Well, I want deep something that on creation. Show a big pussy boy in there. Sound boy over there, so your mouth think like everybody but you all. Kiss out. Come down to you, cause you know it's a creation box alone to the island.
Release it, bunny, go to general. Love respect. Creation the sweetest sound. Creation the bass. Creation of the sweetest sound. Playing all over town. Creation of the nicest sound. Playing all over town. Sing boy. All of my friends them a tell me so. They love creation and them all they go to. So if that song but it better you not try. Your sparks too hard bumbo clot. You be die. We are the sweetest sound. Playing all over town. Creation of the sweetest sound. Playing all over town. Hey, so no put it there. Do not put your back on there. No put it there. Creation box we go down there. No put it there. Do not put your back on there. No put it there. Creation box we go down there. Tell her you said them me I go tell you today. Creation rule and you know that that's true. Be that some boy listen to me. Creation lights up any party. So no put it there. Do not put your back on there. No put it there. Creation box we go down there. No put it there. Do not put your back on there. No put it there. Creation box we go down there. The sweetest sound. Playing all over town. Creation of the nicest sound. Playing all over town. Them dust a skin skin up them 32 teeth in every face and make you laugh. Them check say everything safe. Never know said that the creation does a word for them case. Cause a long time we in a this year listen to the nicest sound. Playing all over town. Creation of the sweetest sound. Playing all over town. Hey, I eat that song boy we never try. Cause if them try them bound to die. Tell her the truth now, tell no lie. Because creation song the other king I say. No put it there, do not put your back on there. No put it there, creation box you go down there. No put it there, song why not put your back on there. No put it there, creation box you go down there. Tell it to them and me I go tell it tomorrow. Creation land I know we no borrow. You know say that the rule every time. We blow a song boy and blow the head down. No put it there, do not put your back on there. No put it there, creation box you go down. Introducing the sound for all the decades. Creation rule the nation.
Now come up, Chilla, you. Now respect to Kitty, man like Papa San, Bunny General, Dirksman and the crew. Now Circle Candy on the mix, because you ever ready. No touchdown again, Circle. No Bantan, come down, can I Smith? Respect. Now Crystal, respect. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. It's like you miss a certain target. Why don't you come and take a shot? Cause at the microphone, it's I chillin' you. Don't you know I'm a real lifestyle? So, exterminate the neighborhood again. Cause when we go madam, and when we go a stage show, we have it done. Creation sound just nice explosion. Yeah. So if you know just what you see, all of the massive man, them love what we sing. Cause when we come a dance man, we keep them a wing. All of the massive man, we has it done. The champion song man in the creation. Exterminate the neighborhood again. Cause when we come a dance, all a problem. When we go a stage show, we have it done. Creation song, yes, nice explosion. Whoa, 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 whoa. Woo, 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 yeah. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, 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 yeah. So it's to know just what you see. Say, exterminate the neighborhood again. Cause when we come a dance, all a problem. When we go a stage show, we are the done. Station sound, it like a shine. Yeah. Woo, 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 woo. You know they miss a certain target. Why don't they come and take a shot? Cause at the microphone, I chill on you. Don't you know I'm a real lifestyle? So, exterminate the neighborhood again. Cause when we come and dance, all a problem. And when we go a stage show, we have it done. Creation sound, it nice explosion. Whoa, Lord of His mercy, His mercy, we rule the party. We ever ready. So, exterminate the neighborhood again. Cause when we come and dance, all a problem. And when we go a stage show, we have it done. Creation, you rule. And you rule for years and years and all those decades. Now, Bunny General, I notice say you are done, you know. Cause them take some of what alone you can't DJ about, no? Boy, I'm mad. Come sing to people them too, no?
Man, let me not tell you no. Me no run to kill jump and sound.
Let the bumbo clot.
And the face a tune they use bad word and play against people sound. Them think they can well creation. No. I'm lying my bed and in creation, and I think of you. Caught up in sound class, creation play, I heard something new. Your sound and my sound, it is not the same. Because your sound is an open sound. You can play all around. If you fall out, get you and be waiting for the creation sound. If you fall out, get you and be waiting for the creation sound. Because after your sound play and your sound don't have no taste, people say that creation and get you out of the race. Because your sound is an open sound. You don't got no taste. Because your sound a old fan. You know creation a champion. Sound wide, try test. We going broke your foot and then pop you one. Hear me style and get fashion. Creation is a champion. If you fall out, get you and be waiting for the creation sound. If you fall out, get you and be waiting for the creation sound. When Papa and him come and hold the mic, hit him man, start fling down style and start to fling for chat. Some boy them get vexed, chop back up your little old pan. Creation is a champion, and we no afraid of no man. If you fall out, get you and be waiting for the creation sound. If you fall out, get you and be waiting for the creation sound. So what? Tell me son boy if you're ready to die. Ready to die, hey. Back up your jump and you never get no blind. Get no blind, hey. Just like a drunk son boy you're going to fly. Going to fly. When you go in creation, wave a goodbye.
Now Chula you, when you start singing for the champion sound creation, I notice the voice gets sweeter for the girl picking them man. Come up. Now settle again. Respect you. My life stand more tight. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Win. Hey, so big up my life stand, my life for the general and all the massive. Respect you. Preacher, well done. Whoa, whoa, yeah. He's kidding. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. You came to me out of a dream, the sweetest thing I ever seen. Oh, changed my life completely. And then you wrap yourself around my heart, bring warm into every part. Oh, and watch me fall so deeply. I need more love. I need your love. On and on forever. Don't wanna stop, I need more love. I need your love. On and on together, can't get enough. Oh, I need more love. Ooh, baby, I need your love. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. But every time I feel you near, there's a promise no one else to be.
Yeah.
Reach it,
Chilla you.
silence. Are we moving to an enemy? To one that's meant to be. Ooh, waiting for the morning. I need more love. I need your love. On and on forever. Don't wanna stop. I need more love. I need your love. On and on together, can't get enough. Oh, I need more love. Oh, my baby, I need your love. Your love, your sweet, sweet love. Hey, 'cause you came to me out of a dream, the sweetest thing I ever seen. Oh, changed my life completely. And then you wrap yourself around my heart, and then you walked into every part. Oh,
night, Dancehall fan, and welcome to the Shock of the Century, Part 5. 10 furlongs the journey, a race that compares with 9 runners originally nominated to take part, 1 late non-starter for 9 creation, and that reduces the field to only 8. And the public make GTI Power as the 5-2 favorite over number 4 Black Scorpio. Looks to be 11-1 on Black Star, 12-1 on Soundtrack, 20-1 on Romantic Hi-Fi, 12-1 on Destiny. Looks to be about 6-1 on Water Disco, and 10-1 on number 1 Creation. The sound you're now listening to. Well, the starter wave them on the orders now. And they're off to what looks to be a fairly level break. On the inside, Creation got the break. Over in the middle, Water Disco. Then we find Destiny looking along. Behind them, GTI Power, the favorite recovering. Then we find Black Scorpio, Black Star. Then comes the gap to Soundtrack. And the trailer, surprisingly, in Romantic Hi-Fi as they pass the stand for the first time with Creation on top, rocked upon by Papa Sam. And on the inside, that looks to be Destiny. Then comes the gap to GTI Power. What a disco drop back to be 4. Then we find Black Scorpio fifth behind Black Scorpio. That looks to be Black Star. Then we find Soundtrack making a forward move on the trailer with Romantic high power, but Creation will have to hit up brick wall if he's to lose. The Shock of the Century Part 5, she's better than 5. The 6 length stay over what and this 4 in second. Destiny on the inside is third. GTI Power on the outside 4th. Then we find Black Scorpio. Then comes the gap to Black Star. Soundtrack is making a forward move and Romantic Hi-Fi is the back marker as they go towards the half-mile marker with Creation. 5 lengths way over one at Disco and Destiny still disputing second. Then we find GTI Power on the move. Behind them Black Star PO. Then comes So you have the soundtrack and the trailer. It's romantic high-fire they come towards the tree creation. We'll have to eat up report, she's increases his lead to 6. The 7 length clearing of 6. I'm out of the final part of the turn creation. It's 6 to 7 length clear over destiny. Let down in the middle and the outside of him is what a disco GTI power the favorite. It's sounding like a runaway train, so too. It's Black Scorpio, but creation begin to find more dub plates, more computerized lifting rhythm. Cassette and all. What a disco is this cute
And good night and good morning, whatever time of day it is. You understand? Michael Jackson couldn't make it all, but you know, Kid is here and Papa Salad. Good evening and good night and good morning, whatever time of day it is. You understand? Michael Jackson couldn't make it all, but you know, Kid is here and Papa Saddle's here, Bunny General is here, Dirty Man is here, and Trilly U is here, and you know, Chris Wayne is on my right hand, and we gonna show sound boys what we can do. We are bad, you understand that? It's a creation, you know what I mean, no shit. La 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 la, oh baby, can't find the reason why creation is so nice. Can't find a way up, on creation when we up, dance all out nice up until the righteous touch it up. Y'all said that? Now craving your body, if it's real, temperature's rising. You don't wanna be here. I'm in the wrong place to be real. Oh, and I'm longing to love you just for a night, kissing and hugging and holding you tight. Please let me love you with all of my mind. Reasons, the reason that we're here, the reason that we fear, I feel it to won't disappear. And after the love games I've been playing, all the illusions are just a parade, and all the
warm and easy. Johnny Osborne.
La 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 la. Can't find a reason why creation sounds so sweet. Can't find a reason why creation sounds so nice. Now after the dub plays I've been playing, all of the love games I've been playing, all of the love games I've been made, and all of the fast moves I've been made, and all of the dub plays I've been played. Now creation can't find a reason why creation sounds so nice. Can't find a reason. I want to play this dub play twice.
Proud of people, don't you know that creation sound is the roughest sound in the worldwide world? No pussy test creation. I lay the Julian says, so well, come down and come on and come shock out.
Creation make you move, that's a lucky move. Creation make you move, creation make you move, that's a lucky move, happy move. That's a happy move, happy move. You happy move, move and then you get in the group. When me say all of the promoter want creation to use, them a come in at them one and them a come in them twos. Listen, creation happy falling a blue.
Alright. Lakewood means rewind, the gunshot means forward. You requested it, so we rewind.
Proud of people, don't you know that creation sound is the roughest sound in the worldwide world? No pussy test creation. I lay the Julian says, so well, come down and come on and come shock out.
Creation make you move, that's a lucky move. Creation make you move, creation make you move, that's a lucky move, happy move. That's a happy move, happy move. You happy move, move and then you get in the group. When me say all of the promoter want creation to use, them a come in at them one and them a come in them twos. Listen, creation happy falling the blues. Listen, creation happy dance up to shoe and a move. That's all happy move, happy move. Them happy move, happy move, happy move. Them a fi move, move and them you get in a the groove. Oh, them a follow me one, a follow me two. And the three, I me say listen, they come my nothing enough styling. Follow me 4 and follow me 5, follow me 6. Listen, they come my not with a bag of lyrics. You a fi move, creation make you move, a fi move. You a fi move, you a fi move, you a fi move. You a fi move, you a fi move, move and then you get in a the groove. Up from the east, and to the west, up from the north, and to the south. You know me now brag and me really now boast. Creation the fossil of the most. You have to move. Creation make you move, you have to move. Creation make you move, you have to move. You have to move, move and then you get in the groove. Oh, me say all the promoter want creation to use. Them come in and them one and them a come in them twos. Listen, this a rhythm of the fall in the blues. Yeah, creation, you have to dance of the shoe and a move. Say Pupa San make you move, that you move. Say we come in that make you move, make you move. You have to move, move and then you get in the groove. Up from the east, to the west, I me say no sound, we cannot test. Anywhere we go, them for creation the best. I me say yeah, echo and sun live and they make you have to move. That's all, have to move, you have to move. You have to move, have to move, have to move. You have to move, move and then you get in the groove. Oh me say creation of the best, me say yes, I'm on ya. Yes, I'm not the best. No. Why, now I took the trip down to London town. See what I'm talking about. I the new style, 59. Speak up.
This is lick of the century. Lick of the century.
Now I took the trip down to London town. See what I'm talking about. As a new style, 59. Speak of the century. I see. Talking about I see. Them are talk about I see. 89 I see. I know a girl, she's from Kingston town. Tell you the truth that the girl and the come around. I know she's the talk of the town. Anytime I see her, she always wears a crown. She a dance, I see. Talking about I see. She a dance, I see. And the 89 years, pick up the century. Oh yeah, long time ago, have a dance, we call it break dance, break dance. Nowadays it's a new style. Jamaican say jump and spread out, English talk about acid. Come on, do the acid. I'm talking about acid. The 89 kick off the century. I see. I'm talking about I see. I see. 89 kick.
Business we are going on, Some cantankerous business scene. Enough problem, enough trouble. Dedicate them to the man called George Pang, saying, now where you say Frankie Pang, take it from the top.
Easy now, Mr. Pang. Mr. Palmer, them style and name the London anthem.
A man called Frankie Pang live and direct from the King Discotheque. Coming soon.
Whoa, yeah. Fire they are must still and think I cool breeze, yeah. On that head. Fire they are must it's like a stage show. If you don't know, put it back. Bite. Back this. Booty. Big dance. Bubble. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah.
Inside Frankie.
Fire they are must still and think I cool breeze, yeah.
Respect Sky Joe's glamour. Militant soldier them. Frankie Pang.
Sit down in a fire.
See what? Jesus.
Sit down in a fire. It's burning him after run. Fire they are must still and think I cool breeze, yeah. Alright. Fire they are must still and think I cool breeze. Oh gosh. That trouble will follow you. If you want to make trouble, you will get it under double. Fire they are supposed to think that you yeah. Alright. Fire they are supposed to think that you oh gosh. Guy you're going at the yard. Keep up the spirit, they got it. Spirit showed up by the fence and said, why we are doing? Come out of the house. Fire they are must still and think a cool breeze, yeah. Alright. Fire they are must still and think a cool breeze. Oh gosh. Whoa, what is badness? Badness. If you try to judge badness, you will miss. You will miss. Yes, fire they are must still in Tikaku. Yeah, alright. Fire they are must still in Tikaku.
Lord of mercy. Frankie.
Easy man, take up Frankie Paul. I sing like you can't tear down dancehall. Well, before a man go on it, one man has a sugar mine at.
Yes, Frankie Paul, John, no, me I show you say, oh, and the guy takes section. Well, right now,
easy now, something like that.
That's how we do it. We say all the time, Frankie Paul drop no land and no trouble. Well, my king, General the school, Pattis, easy. Jawai the selector just did chunk. Sonny, sickle, saying, I choose she hot, you know, she too hot, tired. Yeah. Alright, Lord of mercy.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Lord of mercy. I man can't control her. I man can't control her. Choosy rude. You know something? Second Sharon, cool no man. You run up and down so.
Cool Angela.
Sure, give yourself man.
Alright.
I man can't control her. I man can't control her. Choosy rude. I just can't control her. I just can't control her. You're gonna understand me. The girl over there, she just don't care. She flashing it here, and then she flashing it here. She gone with Tom and she gone with Ari.
Anytime creation play him kill sound, we kill sound, we no stop. No come in, come in and come sing out, sing out, sing out, and no stop sing out.
I see my son and thinking about it now, if you touch creation, think that goes so, now goes so, you think that goes so, think that goes so, now goes so, you think that goes so, think that goes so, now goes so, you think that goes so, think that goes so, now goes so, trouble creation, now goes so, if you trouble go pass and food, now goes so, you trouble you go mind at it, now goes so, you think that goes so, think that goes so, think that goes so, no, you think that goes so, think that goes so, think that goes so, no, you from over so, you are come here so, back up your so, and go back over so, you over so, you are come here so, back up your so, and go back over so, you think that goes so, think that goes so, now goes so, you think that goes so, think that goes so, now goes so, if you trouble let go my energy, now goes so, if you trouble put that sand in it, now goes so, if you trouble my daddy in it, now goes so, if you trouble creation, now goes so, and then trouble real my energy, now goes so, think that goes so, think that goes so, think that goes so, no, think that goes so, think that goes so, think that goes so, no, think that goes so, think that goes so, think that goes so, no, so, touch a button and then we show you something, touch a button and we show you something, touch a button and then we show you something, touch a button and we show you something, no sound contest, creation the best, no sound contest, creation the best, listen to come and I'm the making a man, listen to come and I'm the number one, who are the baby, top of the sun, of the sound name that a creation, you think that goes so, think that goes so, now goes so, you think that goes so, think that goes so, now goes so, think that goes so, think that goes so, now goes so, think that goes so, think that goes so, now goes so, if you trouble put past and baby, now goes so, trouble come in at it, now goes so, you from over you so put up, come here so, back up your so, go back over so, you think that goes so, think that goes so, now goes so, you think that goes so, think that goes so, now goes so, think that goes so, think that goes so, now goes so, come on go, come so, go back leader, come so wide.
As the snow flies in the ghetto, on a cold and great. As the snow flies in the ghetto, on a cold and great Chicago morn, a poor little baby child is born in the ghetto, and his mama cries, 'cause if there's one thing that she don't need, is another little hungry mouth to feed in the ghetto, where the world turns.
Alright. Lakewood means rewind, the gunshot means forward. You requested it, so we rewind.
As the snow flies in the ghetto, on a cold and great Chicago morn, a poor little baby child is born in the ghetto, and his mama cries, 'cause if there's one thing that she don't need, is another little hungry mouth to feed in the ghetto, where the world turns. And a hungry little boy with a running nose plays in the street as the cold wind blows in the ghetto, and his hunger burns. So he starts to roam the streets at night. He learns how to steal and he learns how to fight in the ghetto.
Easy, well done. Sky Juice, know where yourself, glamour.
A child needs a helping hand.
Think this through at a pass through. Worries.
Take a look at you and me. Oh, we just like to see. Do we simply turn our heads and look the other
the ghetto, and his hunger burns. So he starts to roam the streets at night. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm alone. Lonely, 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 alone, alone. Whenever I want some sexual healing, pick up my phone and I call my eyes. Please, nice lady, come over this evening, just for you. My heart keeps yearning, I'm loving, I'm after bubble up, 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 up. Just as if me touch it, I'm a shout, loving, I'm after bubble up, 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 up. Just as if me touch it, I'm a shout, child. This lonesome feelings I feel up, 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 up. Just as if me touch it, I'm a shout. I need a girl, a sweet little princess, to give me hugging and a sweet, sweet voice. To rub on every ache that lies in my chest. I do the eyes get a icky and connect. Loving, I'm after bubble up, 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 up. Just as if me touch it, I'm a shout. Loving, I'm after bubble up, 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 up. Just as if me touch it, I'm a shout, child. Alone, God, no, I'm alone, and it hurts to be alone. Whenever I want some sexual healing, pick up my phone and I call my eye. Please, let's take it up on this.
Hey girls, you know what love is? Love is like a candy on shelf. Ah, yeah. I have so much to say in Buddhist no simple way, and I love you. Cause with baby, 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 and I have so much to do just to prove my love is true, and I thank you. Yeah, I just wanna say thank you.
Niceness, warm and easy. You did.
Hey girls, you know what love is? Love is like a candy on shelf. Ah, yeah. I have so much to say in Buddhist no simple way, and I love you. But say baby, baby, baby.
Final one, then you know, say Gemini. Respect, sin. Well done, glamour. Well done.
Hey girls, you know what love is? Love is like a candy on shelf.
Final.
Hey, I have so much to say in Buddhist no simple way, and I love you. But say baby, 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 and I have so much to do just to prove my love is true, and I thank you. Yeah, I just wanna say thank you for humanity. Ah yeah, I wanna say thank you for humanity. La 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. Girl, loving you is easy 'cause you're beautiful, and making love with you is all I wanna do. Loving you, I can see you make my dream come true. Oh, what a warm surprise! You listen, sugar candy in bed and it's tonight. Na 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 na. She do 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 do. No one else can make me feel the comfort that you bring. Stay with me while we go on, and we will live it night in springtime. Loving you is easy 'cause you're beautiful, and making love with you is all I wanna do. Loving you, I can see you make my dream come true. Oh, what a warm surprise! You listen, sugar candy in the dance tonight. Na 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 na. She do 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 do. Loving you.
Glamour, why you come down with no respect? See? Come down, glamour. Easy, easy.
She told me that she loved me so and that's a lie. And then she
So this a country sound, but I want you to know, so this is one of the wickedest country sound. Well, here how me do things now. Sin, cause it's detrimental business. Sin.
Come let me show you how we round on song. Come let me teach you how we rule them all. Galang, 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 galang. Come let me show you how we round on song. Come let me teach you how we rule them all. I've been ruling dancehall ever since you were a child. So don't come try to dictate to I about dancehall style. East, west, north and south, it is I who rule the land. I play original style while others play version. I have wounded many a sound called King Kong, son of a gun. Many more did come and many more had to run. So I'll advise you not to try to get in my way. You'll be defeated because you'll never play what I play. Come let me show you how we ram dance. Come let me teach you how we rule them all. Galang, 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 galang. Come let me show you how we ram dance. Come let me teach you how we rule them all. Jaras Jafarai, he's the king of kings of all sound. All who is inspired of him will always be around. There's no greater king in the universe to be found. He rules the air and water, word, power and sound. Come let me show you how we ram dance. Come let me teach you how we rule them all. Come let me show you how we ram dance. Come let me teach you how we rule them all.
Well, right now, we have to bless the land first, you know. Seeing, and when we soon come to creation, we have to bring down the king himself first. Seeing, now you there. Yes. Now we bless the land and it's ragamuffin business now. Cause you just wanna come to creation sound. We're not wrong. Now you hear this?
Why hear me now? Son boy, we give you a raw already. And it come like you're not satisfied. You come back again. Well, your pussy will burn you tonight. Cause you see when creation come and burn it, you know what I'm telling you. Go and suck that ugly fucker who introduce that ugly fucker to that ugly fucker, make that ugly fucker know that ugly fucker, bring that ugly fucker to that ugly fucker and fuck that ugly fucker. And get a fucking ugly fucker like you. Dibby, go back with your jump on. Come blood.
And you say if you want your music and good entertainment, just listen to creation sound, man.
Why hear me now? Son boy, we give you a raw already. And it come like you're not satisfied. You come back again. Well, your pussy will burn you tonight. Cause you see when creation come and burn it, you know what I'm telling you. Go and suck that ugly fucker who introduce that ugly fucker to that ugly fucker, make that ugly fucker know that ugly fucker, bring that ugly fucker to that ugly fucker and fuck that ugly fucker. And get a fucking ugly fucker like you. Dibby, go back with your jump on. Come blood.
Bad
creation. Bad creation. Bad creation. It's hard to be away from the sound that you love like creation. The king champion, yes. But my friend, I will tell you, I tell to you again. Creation sound it fresh like a mango coming off the stem. So you may tell them the boss sound you shouldn't come, sound you shouldn't come. Now you come a dance and you be get only come down. Me tell them the sound you shouldn't come, sound you shouldn't come. Say bunny and the killer and the lick you to the bunker. You is a man you love to sell you back from man. Them the system where you are bring down. I lie down and I make man suck out your tongue. Sound you shouldn't come, sound you shouldn't come. Creation sound, we are the champion. Creation sound are the number one. Yes, your song boys, you must all listen keenly and understand. We are the nicest sound and this island. Come for the talking, me ball come be son, why can you not say nothing? Come tell me where you are going with your big burden. You know your sound back shape like some time coffin. And where you make them a must sit down and mad. Tell me creation sound you really want to threaten. You want me broke up for your ass with it, but me tell you sound you shouldn't come, sound you shouldn't come. I know you come a bitch and you get on it. Don't me tell you hard to be away from the sound that you love when creation. Without the king champion, yes. Me and Bunny General and Kitty and the youth named Papa Son. Don't you know how we run the dancehall fan? Because look what you say now someone, look what you done. Look what you say let the man if you were King Kong. Don't come up here the boy, sell bottom. No we come out as he want challenge creation. Me tell you sound you shouldn't come, sound you shouldn't come. You shouldn't come a bitch and you get a lick. No me tell you sound you shouldn't come, sound you shouldn't come. Come bunny and the chiller and go lick you to the ground. Creation sound, we are the champions.
Creation, come to rule the nation with version.
Yeah.
Listen this one.
Mic check one.
Sing.
Mic check one. Check one.
Creation is serious.
Mic check one.
Creation is dangerous. But we are
Mic check one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one come to rule the nation.
Mic check one.
Creation is
Circle.
serious. Creation is dangerous. But we are famous.
The Bible King.
Serious, cantankerous and dangerous.
Serious diamond.
It's only in this sound the people them put their trust.
Hold tight, Sam. Words tonight.
Cantankerous and dangerous.
Hear that?
All over the world, every sound is a rush.
Hey, hey.
It's not everything good, be it good, be talk. I don't trust a sound guy after dark. They will walk and talk, eat and drink with you. Pretend as if they are with you, but I won't let the sound on we creation. Would rather own everyone, but when you think it's peace and safety, is a sudden destruction. Creation is serious, cantankerous and dangerous. Hey yo, it's only in this sound the people them put their trouble. Creation is serious, cantankerous and dangerous, Lord. All over the world, every sound is in a heated rush.
Creation.
I'm always on the alert because I know that my sound is worth. No sound will push me around. Creation is the number one sound. Some sound don't have no treble. Them not play up on no level. Some sound don't have no bass. Them only a bring disgrace in the place. Creation is serious.
Easy teeth. How can they want it now?
All over the world, every sound is in a heated rush. Yes, that man, along with Papa Son, select that TV, mix after dark. They will walk and talk, eat and drink with you. Pretend as if they are with you, but I'm only the sound. I'm weak creation. Would rather own everyone, but when you think it's peace and safety, is that not destruction? Creation is serious, can't under us and dangerous. Yes, he's only give it sound the people and put their down.
Now, selector. You know what business time now, see? Now, Teddy Irie, come to your piece, no man.
Easy, Bobby. Hold it, kid. Easy. Request to all of the Maxfield Avenue, Marcy. Kingston 11, 13, and 12, Marcy. Big up you like Skullman, Papa San, Body General, Eclair, and all of the Marcy for the place. Dr. Skull, easy. Run things, kid. Well, all girls are your style, see? How to stop sing tune for this year. Maraji, easy. No romancing, ooh baby. No romance without finance, girl. No romance without finance, girl. Girl, nothing in life is free. That's why I'm asking you, what can you do for me? 'Cause I've got responsibilities, and I'm looking for a girl who have a strong money. Because nothing from nothing leaves nothing, nothing. You've got to have something if you wanna deal with me. So life is so serious, love is mysterious. A fine boy like me needs security, 'cause I said no romance without finance. Girls, I said no romance without finance. We'll ain't come again, my selector. So if you coming for me ranking,
well, alright. Now I know it's a creation rule. Every time. Watch me now. Now teeth easy. Big good belly. Easy. You have now. Bend the building, pang, palong. Pang, palong, 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 palong. You have now. Can't stop creation again. Boy, can't stop creation again. Watch me now. Them can't stop creation again. Boy, can't stop creation again. You know, no creation sound. It around the country with the big time selector where them call name Kiddy. Champion mixer that a sugar candy. Oh, own the sound now we boss Mother G. Champion DJ. No son and bunny. And I boomerang as the top celebrity. I am passing through that a Papa's Collie. Concrete dealer, show Enkel Irie. Chilla, you wanted the Irie. Watch it. Watch it. I know so deep nice and decent every time. You have no man. This when I come a creation. It's like a teach we teach. School with it. So you have no. All girls, hold tight. Out of mercy. Enkel Irie respect you. You have no. Hey, Botia. The little girl pick me where you take man for, or where you want to rise up me nature. She said but me ranking, you are my favorite lover. She come in at the bed and take off the cover. Me lie down fine, she and she turn over. She say you go and collect, me will be the driver. And when she start drive, me can catch a fire. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, me there round the corner. 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, me there in the center. Before it with 5 o'clock, one stop driver kiss me neck. Look at girl, you catch the fever. She said no, but me ranks me a hot number. And you love it so much, you must have white liver. She said me at the driver for all entertainer. Lieutenant Purpose and Metro Peter. Johnny General Shabba ranking and the ninja. So what happened to them, me will tell you later. Me want hear no before you go no further. Want to Lieutenant Stitch him go turn governor. Want to Purpose and him turn weightlifter. Want to
to Peter Major, him fit and catch a fire. Want to Bunny General, him turn goat rider. To Shabba Rankin, him turn Punani doctor. Want to Ninja Man, him turn freedom fighter. Me say when me attack, me say me no laughter. Me say what am to me now, me I go tell you later. Me want me hear no before you go no further. Easy boomerang, you are entertainer. When me start chat, the place catch a fire. Everybody know for me man, him a the danger. Ragamuffin DJ, man in the area. Me say come in like the preacher, yeah, me parent partner.
Wheel up, Kitty and Dash. I want them know say year to year sound, see? A roughneck sound, and I want them know say this one we come through with a play cause a lyrics factory. Somebody deal with called creation role. Now spanglers, all junglists, all Pinnanites, seen? Respect.
All creation.
Listen to it.
And all massive. All creation.
Listen to it.
And all massive. I want to know the creation fresh every time. Now creation with Papa San and Winnie Wonder.
Respect Mother G.
Come in Winnie Wonder. Oh God, that's television. Creation man. Son.
Creation. Root boy sound for years.
Sound guy.
Listen to it.
Creation killer sound guy. I wanna take you anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Started from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll kill a sound guy. Cause creation sound got nothing to prove.
Well, Lincoln, you wanted no.
Oh yeah, hey, hey. Creation killer sound guy. I've got a plan just to get it on the hair. Creation sound keep working. Manage to save just a little bit of money. Don't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. Then you know that creation sound rules. I gotta sing aye, aye. I got a feeling creation killer sound guy. Aye, aye. I got a feeling creation killer sound guy.
All farm massive.
Cause if you're gonna run, there's no place to hide. Creation be waiting there. Along with Papa Son, yes, him have no fear. So don't you try touch my style. But when they wonder I'm wicked and wild. So aye, aye. Don't you know creation kill a sound boy? Aye, aye. Don't you know creation kill a sound boy? Sorry for a sound guy. Sorry for them. Sorry for a sound guy. Pray for them. Sorry for a sound guy. Sorry for them, sorry for a sound guy.
My selector.
Forgive them cause they know
Diver.
done. No. He who that tests and creation gonna get so down. No.
I'm gonna save a ton free. Come in blood cause you don't know the things different.
Over the years, well Papa San well tied, saying flatter ranking dirtsman, all creation crew, and all the girls them in the place that's well tied. Well, never you were in life because as we run things. Malachi, General. Ba 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 ya ba ba ya ba. Ba 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 ya. When we met, always knew I would feel the magic for you on my mind constantly. In my arms is where she should be. Please, I want you here by me. Please, you let my love lie free. I want you in my life for a time. La da 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 da. Caught up in the rapture of love. Nothing else can compare. When I feel the magic for you, feeling joy always new. Ba 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 ya ba ba ya ba. We stand side by side to the stalks of life pass us by. Light my life and my heart. Yes, tonight just be just the start. Preacher, wheel up.
and come kidding. Well, it's right now, it's center we come a lyrics we teach. It's something I deal with. When I come talk no half and half lyrics. So you tell the girls and we are kill them baby now. And then we are touch first. So listen lyrics, cause I don't know. All massive respect. Hear it. Because all of the girls when I take a bash and jump in at the dance and show your hand. Hear me what? All of the girls when I take a bash and jump in at the dance and show your hand. Come, me nah give no girl no money if you go take a bash and it no right in the sight of God nah man. Them the kind of thing they had the work of Satan. She better buy a nighty and a bad pan. If you don't have no youth or you have big man. If a girl kill a baby, she's a murderer man. I done a Spanish town where the girl should hang. She was than a man where you kill a next man. If you don't want no pick me, use protection and stop run your body like a garbage pan. Because all of the girls when I take a bash and jump in at the dance and show your hand. You hear me what? All of the girls when I take a bash and jump in at the dance and show your hand. Why? Because I know flipping dead. I walk on land. I close a world down them corruption. Some gather run them body like a 250,000. If night on day them have to take woodland. The world gets so corrupt that's me can't understand. Jah, I go lick them with destruction. You cannot hide from God, but you hide from man. Look how the youth look good when them in a impram. Some girl nowadays, them heart a iron. Why you miss us so? Should them take a bash and come. Sharon, you no rank, you no take a bash and Susie, you no rank, you no take a bash and Rosie, you no rank, you no take a bash and come get it from the pitch because you know some me did that. Anytime you pass through me, you da ram obsession. Rap me from Kingston straight to Westmoreland. Ragamuffin preacher on the microphone stand. Come, all wheel. Oh yes, a skull.
Yeah, you know. How they are. Now that should not kill ram skin because you know so you come for run things for years. And a Croatian sound, the sound wrap up. Now that is son, why you draw near the car you are run things this year. Easy. Dr. Skull, respect. How we there?
Who there? I can't understand. But we know we kill something tonight.
Mighty creation, man.
Well, a sound boy, pack up your bangarang sound and done because all of your family will go like this dead.
You hear that?
You see when Tony Gold come out, Brian and Tony Gold is dead and you hear them combination here for the girl picking them and creation sound run.
Now respect to all the crew. Hear them style. Creation. So we dread. Come kill your own skin. I don't say the damn thing. When we buck up, all spanglers, all maxi lights, respect. Cause Skull man there.
Respect glamour way.
Easy.
We kill something tonight.
Oh, please style and pattern we touch about to the style. Where it go?
Because all of your family will go like this dead. Can you see when Tony Gold come out? Brian and Tony Gold is
article up and article Junior Day must respect. I will know you there. Where's the style? That's what you want with the easy. Creation.
When I think about your loving, sunny evenings, the fun we used to share, looking through the memories in my mind, since I've laughed and cried.
How is it the Europa?
Now I realized that it's never over, only satisfied.
Yeah.
Oh, it's you, creation. I don't wanna be free from your sound.
Easy there.
Only hoping it's not too late to try again. It's you, creation, captured by your sound. Creation, I will always be right there.
Sound you want with the easy.
Right by your side. Lying here alone, I'm dreaming. I might keep wondering. My thoughts are only looking through the memories in my mind. How a love so real could come so empty. I just keep wondering why. When
how easy that is, son?
The love we share together, you and I. Oh, it's you, creation.
I wanna run bullets, sing.
Creation, heaven knows I'm captured by your smile. Oh, it's you, creation.
I'm a run, kid. How yourself, my yo?
From your sweet sound, creation, I will always be right there by your sound, right by your side.
Until the area. Now I selector. Anti-first dance is this style. I suffer the little children to come unto me, forbid them not. Sing. That's also the king of Zion. Now we'll bring on you like John Mouse in the style. See? Now easy our crew can pure nice this later on. Don't worry yourself, how we there? Pull up! My mistake. Kill the ram skin. I know we're there. Don't worry yourself. Chew it. Copy your style of boomy. Shot man.
Respect Skullman every time. Easy Tito Bryce. You have no people. You know. Come here, they get over the two-pump, you're the king champion. When they come at dancehall, me a dancehall dan. You're the get over the two-pump, you're the king champion. When they come at dancehall, you're the dancehall dan. Them say if you put me wrong, you're the dignitary. Who what the cover, not the lieutenant stitchy. Papa and him come in with a new style. She puttin', po. Everybody like it. Wrong move, now with the one Josie. Best combination, no Michi and Smiley. Pinch as him do a tune for your eyes only. Now they want Frankie Paul that they win the Grammy. And them kill me job with and them dead and bury. Peter Metro, Dominic, Cockney and Yardy. Oh no think me did done Admiral Bailey. And they go teach respect you to everybody. And the teacher for culture, the DJ Briggy Professor nothing at the bus. Everybody like him. But they gonna see the boy they on the donkey. Ricky say brother the flyer go a foreign country. Coleman them come in with a new style.
Come blood. I know they are on a style. I want to ramp. See that son? Respect. No have a new lick for the people. Hold it. Yeah, you know come with a style and the pirate them take it. We'll have a new lick for the people and I'm going to touch it for all Kingstonites tonight. Kite and mash up the world. Come! Word! Everybody said the word! Everybody said the word! Everybody said the word! I'll style! Word! Everybody said the word! Everybody said the word! Mission on star! Peter, first time when me landing abroad, me say me nah come back a yard. The yard to me fuck a Yankee girl named Mad. Who a married me get me green card. The card, me never know she live with her. Dog, never know she sleep with her. Dog, never know she bed with her. Dog, if you sleep with your dog and you bed with your dog, that means to say the dog and the man and your yard. For me lay down panna and a rammer too hard. The dog might get jealous and want to draw can't go. From me backyard, never pack up me things out. Go back a yard, living in a barrenette. Word, a the word. Come, a the word. Everybody said the word. Everybody said the word. Everybody said the word. You know, Jen. First time when me landing abroad, say me now come back a yard. Yard to me book a Yankee girl named Mad. Who a married me get me green card. Me never know she live with her. Dog, never know she sleep with her. Dog, never know she bed with her. Dog, and you sleep with your dog and you bed with your dog. That means to say the dog and the man and your yard. For me lay down for you. Hold up. Now, touch it. Massachusetts, Reggae Pret. Wallet Kitty. Well, first, I man must big up all of the Maxfield massive them, seeing, and Toughhead, Uji, Hold Tight. Now this is the big stinking Gregory Peck from Massachusetts who run Nazareth to Jesus way upon the wastelanders and never know more no crepe 40 days and 40 nights in the wilderness. So all road boy hold tight cause road boy sound seen. And all who never hear big stinking Gregory Peck, you know. But just pop down the gate and come in. Mama G, love you to the bone. Papa son, easy man. Now Skullman, come with it kiddie. Now we don't have no time for waste. Lord have mercy. Get we picking at the party. All of them are save and they follow me. Mix me. In name, follow me no 1, follow me no 2, follow me no 3, follow me no 4, follow me no 5, follow me no 6, follow me no 7, follow me no 8, follow me no 9. This one get great back how we match a go long time. Watch it. And the little lick and the little lick jump over the mountain, the long long the seas and the fun on the dish and away with his bonus, the little lick and the little lick. Boom clad. Well, yes, when it come down to the nitty-gritty of things, we're not ready for talk about the sound them yet. But enough sound to talk about them role versus creation. We are rule from in a Marcus Garvey days and them man there. And still the foundation. Watch it now. Crablows and bada them and crablows and bada them crablows and bada them and crablows and bada them crablows and bada them crablows and bada them crablows and bada them and crablows. Have anyone ever seen a crab louse or some little white fellas who don't stop shock out in a 3-piece suit and go in at them mouth? If you ever use a rag, wash your seed bag and dry off your face with that same fucking rag, then pitch tent in your beard and root it out like a agony chop under your balls and a make phone call. Whoa, crab louse and bada them and crab louse, bada them crab louse. Stop it! One more piece. I says the big stinking Gregory Peck from Massachusetts who run Nazareth to Jesus way upon the wastelanders and never do about a pep. So all massive, tough head, easy, Uzi, dirt. All cool, you ready? Me want you follow me go watch church. Me want you follow me go watch church. Enough things are going nowadays in the church. People follow me go watch. Me want you follow me go watch church. Enough things are going nowadays in the. Well, as a man early and me respect Christian. Them not tell you say you're right when they know say you're wrong. But last week Saturday me go Adventist. Me hold a front seat beside Sister Doris. When me look me see the preacher on the pulpit. In pair of flask of rum in him jacket pocket. But so we ma go preach around a back him left it. Now the deacon and the usher did gonna tile it. Two psalms I go read them if he come back quick. When the preacher tired, him will want to sip. Him go round at the back, him coulda never find it. So him fly round back quick on the pulpit. Hear him now? All your members, please listen this. In the name of the Father, me don't like it. When no coming back to church, bring on no own spirit. Me left the spirit on a back. Somebody touch it. Me no know if a brother Joe or a sister Doris. But on the front bench a old lady sit down like a greater the jazz holy holy. When the pastor spot it, hear the pastor start sing holy 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 Lord God Almighty. The old lady spot the recon start to chat. The holy but it clean. Pastor now watch it. Now go tell you why the reason so much holy now. Now you see one shoot it up with your magnum body. And now you come and dance all and sing holy holy me ball. Follow me go watch church. Follow me go watch church. Enough things are going nowhere. Stop it! Jesus Christ. Now original Bunny General come.
Hey, give me a next tune, kiddie. Can you see that tune, you know? Holy, holy. Easy, glamity, win. So the girl then say.
Creation sound.
So the girl them say.
Well, all of the massive never follow creation sound. I want to know all tight, I will live on the band. And all the people that follow that sound. Nonsense. You know, say now play good. Listen good sound. Listen how creation play with quality. A man like Sugar Candy the boat. Man, you know he's dead. I'm Bunny General Papa Sam the boat. Well, Brian and Tony Gold. I want to come check out for the girl picking them now, cause this is dead. I hear this now.
Well, all nice and decent people in the place, you know, we live in a like of fly and shit, you know.
You are killing it now. Creation,
Creation, They've been out telling a long time, I'm not thinking it true.
man like that. Another place is my youth. My next Coleman, Papa San, and all the massive. Masha Suchek, Reggae Peck, Preacher, Charles Pride. What is this? Easy glamour way in my youth. The years. Big up Shaka Zulu. Take me to say. Hey. Man like Jonah Demus. Go on hold tight. Why me grow different from enough DJ? I don't know why. Cause they say when 2 sound or 3 sound a play our sound clash. So you don't know? Easy Shaka Zulu. Now here comes. Oh, here goes the counteraction too. And this one dedicated to you and God knows who. Cause you know we're not end up in a curfew. Well, alright. Easy, Mr. Demus. Anyway, there, enough respect, see. But all massive in another place. Hey, hey. Land of mercy, one for the man, only some bonnet to the man, the good man, but one pan skin up with talk, creation. But when me come and dance and take the mic up in my hand, me bust me lyrics, me love one like for each and every one. Could be right, you could be wrong, you could be weak, you could be strong. You live up in a St. James or in a St. Ann. But anyway, me go land the dance of it. Come for the man, me run for town. What they call it? Me ball. Send a message to a jump on and make them know my sound a champion. Cause we don't know where them come from. One contest we know a little island. But we not afraid of no sound, we not afraid of no pan, we not afraid of no old bangarang. Cause if a pussy tight, just a broken foot a poppy man, I make them mass back where them come from. Because a creation make the dance all around. So me balance it, when you want down I cannot take and you look, and we can always go listen. Creation, when you want down I cannot take and you look, and we can always go listen. Creation, and some youth man nobody and love it, but them are done. No follow them bad company, them are done the lion, no follow no fool, and follow no friend. I end up in no problem, no money, terrible in the dance, you know me. But than them, they come in at them 1,000 and come in at them 10, beat them up, broke them up and put them in a problem. Make them know say problem, we come to solve them. Because creation sound way rougher than them. Beat them in a Kingston, mash them in a Jamaican. Money turn up and they might make come to cause problem. That's why I'm afraid of no 2, we no afraid of no 1, no afraid of no sound, we no afraid of no pan. This a money general. Me the good man, me no ramp and skin up and when me come a session, they call it. Roots and me mouth them microphone up in my hand. Me bust me lyrics, me love and like for each and every one. Some of them are right, but some of them are wrong, but some of them are weak and some of them are strong. While some of them are drink up 15 Anakin, some of them are drink dragon, some of them are sharp, but some of them long, me don't know where some of them come from. Me come in at the place, one taste creation. If a DJ push up and go on like him, and tonight we broken foot and then pop off him man. And make them know say bunny a the me general. That's why me don't run me the skin not dance, cause me a top ranking. If a boy tight this, yes we born to kill him. We beat him from no straight until the morning. Make him know say my son at the top ranking. That's why send a message to a jump on and make them know my son a champion. And we don't know where them come from. One contest when a little island. But what? Say we no afraid of no sun creation, no afraid of no pan, we no afraid of no old bangarang. Why? Cause if a pussy try test we broken foot and poppy man, make them mass back where them come from. Because a creation make the dance all rap. So me tell them say, when you are down I cannot take and you look, and we can always go listen. Creation, when you are down I cannot take and you look, we can always go listen. Creation. Christian in the dance them crown with champion. Who? They pan the mic no bunny like the good man. Anyway we go, you know we full up a pattern. Some of them right, some of them wrong, some of them weak, some of them strong. While some of them drink up 15 Anakin, some of them drink dragon. Some of them come up in the dance and shake off the dance. And now here comes, and the man play. The man called Brian Antonio Gould for the Kingston says speed. Creation,
this is Creation, the champion zone. And all of the little DVD sound that we are talking about them war run against creation this year. I want to know saying this is a little sound here. I come to kill out enough jump and can enough sound. I see I play about the place a long time and I reach from where all I know. I want some DJ.
I'll big up all nice and decent girls.
Guys, when creation come out, it's dead. So Brian and Tony Gold, I want to come shock out for the girls.
Come that. Yeah. Now make a crest, flat ranking, all time of PJ. Manaji, all time man. Circle. All tight wings and all time amongst man.
Wagwan ENT.